Hello, sixth graders. Welcome to day 2 of coding. Hopefully you enjoyed the activity yesterday of nested loops. Remember what you learned because you can continue using nested loops throughout this week in different activities, okay? So today we're just going to get right to it. I'm going to click sixth graders, click here. And today you're going to finish all the lesson 7 activities. So lesson 7 activities is actually numbers 1 through 9, okay? So in this lesson, you're going to work with variables. Variable is essentially a number that can be changed, and it adjusts your code based on that. Now, in the beginning, you're just going to follow the directions up top here. So draw an equilateral triangle. It has to be exactly 50 pixels long on each side. And you'll see it looks a little bit different here. You get these little, I'll just drag this out so you can see. It looks like another box or connector inside. These are actually math blocks, and these are used in Scratch, and you can use them in Blockly, and it's a way to adjust the numeric value of whatever you're trying to adjust. It could be degrees, could be pixels, length, okay? And you can see the block right here. You're just going to finish these first couple activities, but then you're going to get to some, I'll just jump to activity 4 here. You'll see some changes here. Like it says set length to 50. And you'll see instead of move forward by 50, it says move forward by length. So I'm going to kind of explain that a little bit with a separate activity. But you're going to finish numbers 1 through 9. Make sure you do them in order. It goes kind of step by step. But to show you kind of big picture of what that looks like, I wrote some code over here. And I just want you to talk to you about what it's going to do. So I have a nested loop, just like you guys did yesterday. It's going to run this 2 times. And what is it going to run? Well, it's going to do this 4 times. It's going to move forward 60 pixels, turn left by 90 degrees, do it again, do it again, do it again. And it's going to jump forward. Remember, jump, artist moves but doesn't draw a line, by 60 pixels, same length as the sides of the shape. So it's actually going to make a square. It's going to jump forward 60 pixels and then do it all again. So it makes 2 squares. I'll drag it up here so you can see it. Okay, and there you can see it. Now, what if I just want to change that design a little bit? I don't want to have to change this number of pixels over and over and over in both spots. So I can use what's called a variable. Instead of setting this at 60 pixels and jumping forward at 60 pixels, I can use a variable called length. And I could set that length. There's all sorts of variables you can set. Points, radius, repeat, there's tons. You can make your own variables. So I'm going to use a variable length. I'm going to set it. I'm going to use this math block right here and set it to whatever number I want. Right now I'll set it to 25 pixels. And now I could use the same code, but instead of changing the pixels on both of these, I can just say, hey, just move forward by the variable length. Jump forward by the variable length that I named length. And now you can see. And instead of changing pixels in both spots here, I can just change it in this one place. I'll change it to 50. I'll change it to 75. I'll change it to 1. I'll change it to 100. Okay, you get the idea. So it's really nice to have a variable because it could change the rest of your code rather than changing that numeric value in several different places. I only have to change it to one place. It makes life and coding a lot easier. So that's what you're going to get into today. You're going to focus on variables with the artist, read the directions with each activity, watch the video for activity 3. It'll really, really help you, okay? Enjoy this. Learn it. Variables are really important in coding, okay? Enjoy today. See you in the video tomorrow.